A piece of an airplane wing, which was washed up on an island, could actually be the first confirmed trace of debris of Malaysia Airplane Flight 370. The 6-foot part was discovered on the French island of La Réunion in the Indian Ocean. The Minister of Transport in Malaysia, Abdul Aziz Kaprawi, confirmed the part number inscribed on the wreckage shows it was from a Boeing 777. Flight MH370 is the only plane of its type believed to have gone down in that area of the world. The jet vanished with 239 people aboard in March 2014. For factors not known, the aircraft is believed to have crashed into the southern Indian Ocean after becoming diverted off its course from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Beijing. The plane's pilot was discovered to have practiced landing on an Indian Ocean island using a home flight simulator, which made him the prime human suspect for the flight's crash. Previously, search teams had yet to locate any confirmed proof of the crash, hugely because of the expansiveness of the area where debris might be based. The wing piece discovered on Wednesday, however, features a part number that is pointed out in the manufacturer's manual of Boeing. A Chinese bottle of water, a piece of luggage and a detergent bottle with Indonesian inscription have as well been discovered on the island. MH370 is one of just 3 Boeing 777s in history to have encountered disaster. The others are Asiana Airlines Flight 214 that crash-landed at the San Francisco airport in July of 2013, and Malaysian Airlines Flight 17 that was downed in July 2014 over war in Ukraine. Investigators in Malaysia are reported to have taken the piece of wing to Toulouse in France, where it will be analyzed.